Hello friends, welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
Now we have beta blockers. Beta blockers are again divided into three types. We have non-selective beta blockers, second generation beta blockers, and third generation beta blockers. Non-selective beta blockers include propranolol, alpranolol, then we have nodenolol, then we have timolol, oxprenolol, and pindalol. Non-selective beta blockers are propranolol, alpranolol, nodenolol, timolol, oxprenolol, and pindalol. Whereas second generation beta blockers include acebutolol, etinolol, bisoprolol, then we have metoprolol, and then we have esmolol and nebivolol. So second generation beta blockers include acebutolol, etinolol, bisoprolol, bitoxolol, esmolol, metoprolol, and nebivolol. Third generation are cartiolol, carvedilol, then labetalol are third generation beta blockers.
thank you and thank you for watching.